Life is filled with decisions. I love being right, but I hate making decisions because I hate being wrong. So we decided this little girl, this was not doing well, and we decided to take her in and bottle feed her. Now that's the fun part of farm life. Since then, we found out she's got navel ill, and her outlook is a little grim, and that's the sucky part of farm life. But you know, in life, we have lots of decisions to make. So what you do is you trust your gut, you make a decision, you gather more information, and then you correct course when needed. So if you're picking a trade or a major or a career, you know, you think about what feels good to you, you make a decision, and then, you know, you gather more information, and then you correct course. I don't know what you think you're going to find in there. Anyway, if I can help you make decisions, let me know.